welcome to Health Corner on top your Good Morning NAIJA show, where me, Dr. Adora, they give you all the better things where you need to know about your well body. Yes, yesterday we've been there talk about kidney infections. We define what it be. We even talk about the urinary tract, as in everything where they inside our body, where they help us, they regulate urine, the way it they go inside, the way they come out. And we can't even talk about some of the things where they cause this kidney infection. Well, yesterday I sent you about how it happen for inside the kidney. Right now, for the urethra, that's not the place where the urine they take the pass. Alternatively, it gets one pathogen, e.g. bacteria, where if it enter inside the urethra, come reproduce inside the bladder and come affect the bladder, come put infection for them. And this infection will enter the bladder, come spread to the kidney. Another one be say, your toilet hygiene. When you they go toilet, go wee-wee, after you do it, you they do finish. When you they use your toilet paper to wipe your anus, I beg, no they wipe them from back to front. Do them from front to back, because the paper feed they get into contact with your down below. Some kind infections will go there already. Some kind pathogens like bacteria and the rest will come form infection for inside your urethra, and another one can travel, can go inside. Can enter the kidney. The infection self, if it also enter through the anus, for example, Escherichia coli, this one is E. coli, now one type of bacteria. This one feed there inside our colon, that's inside our large intestine, and from there it go waka, go enter inside the kidney, will cause infection. Another thing where they cause some, or if it be a risk factor, that now if you get them, if it happen to you. Now the way our body be as women, like I explained yesterday, women then they vulnerable, as in their body fit catch all these infections well because of how they take arrange them, how God take arrange them, because the urethra it is shorter for women, so they make them easier for the infection to quickly waka up, enter inside the urinary tract. Then another one, if person they wear urinary catheter, this urinary catheter now one kind of rope where they put inside people, like tube, where they insert from the urethra into the bladder to drain urine, because you get some people where they get some kind of infections when you go let them even pass urine by themselves. So if you too carry this urinary catheter inside your body, you know, say a foreign body, and if it attracts plenty bacteria there. So therefore, you get the risk of developing this urinary tract infection, plus including kidney infection. Another one now, kidney stones. Yes, this is now one situation where they happen to some people, and you get some individuals who get these kidney stones. And if they get them, they get a higher risk of developing kidney infection, because in those kidney stones, there be stones where they inside the kidney. Not be saying a proper stone, no. Now, plenty things where don't calcify. I don't speak big English. Short, long and short. We say you get some things where go just form, come together, come arrange themselves, including some kind minerals and some kind of other acid elements where they inside the body. When they come they inside the kidney, it go attract this infection to themselves, can they cause kidney infection. Another one now, when man don't get what they call enlarged prostate. You get prostate gland inside man, we get the work where they do. So if that prostate don't enlarge, it gets a high risk of developing kidney infections. Until say infections go they waka, some kind of bacteria them go they waka enter inside that enlarged prostate. So there also sexually active females, that now females when we don't already they do adult play, whether they don't marry or they never marry. If you know say you don't be doing, you get very high probability of getting this kidney infection, because sexual intercourse, that now adult play, they irritate the urethra. So therefore, they get high risk of bacteria wakaing from the urinary tract into the kidneys, and when it enter inside there, it will go cause kasala, and that now kidney infection. So what will be some of the symptoms of this kidney infection? At least half of women they experience this discomfort with urination where they inside the urinary tract. Well, if you want to hear more of these symptoms, join me tomorrow, same time, because I sent you some of the symptoms where they follow kidney infection. My name is still Dr. Adora, and this is your Health Corner on top Good Morning NAIJA show.